Hi all of you. Hi guys. In previous video, actually that video by somehow it's been like discarded, so that's why I could not able to continue this topic. Actually, I need to continue this topic in that video only. But anyways, I'll start with now the next topic, that is effect on G. मतलब एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी के ऊपर में ऐसी कौन कौन सी चीज़ें होती हैं जिसका इफेक्ट आता है. सो नंबर वन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस, दैट इज़ ड्यू टू अल्टीट्यूड. अल्टीट्यूड का मतलब होता है हाइट. क्या होता है? हाइट. ओके. सो ड्यू टू अल्टीट्यूड मतलब इफ़ यू आर like you are moving away from the earth, then definitely you are going at a certain height, that is altitude. So let us take this is my earth. Okay. And this is the radius of earth, that is re, and mass of earth is me. Let's say that you are moving from here you are previously, initially you are here, now you're moving from here to certain height. Let us take the height is h. Now you came to this position. सो आप ऐसा भी समझ सकते हैं कि एक सैटेलाइट इतना दूरी पे घूम रहा है. ओके. सो नाउ यू कैन सी व्हाट इज़ द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर फ्रॉम सेंटर टू द हाइट. सो इट इज़ r plus h. Okay, so what will be the acceleration due to gravity at this point, we need to find. Okay, so we will find it. See here, now when you are here, what is acceleration due to gravity? This is acceleration due to gravity, g equal to gme by re square. So we can write on surface of earth, right? G is equals to gme by re square. Okay, this is my earth. Okay, but when you reach to this point, okay, what will change? Tell me. Only the height will change, this will change. So I will write gh is equals to gme, mass will remain same, because as we know that this gravitational acceleration do not depends upon what, the mass of the body. So divided by r plus h ka square. This is equation number 2. Now I need to get this value gh. So if you divide 2 by 1, gh divided by g is equals to gme divided by r plus h ka whole square. If you're dividing, you can directly write into re square divided by g into me. This 2 will get cancelled. Now what you're remaining with, I'll write here gh divided by g is equals to re square divided by r plus h ka whole square. Now this re and r both are same only, just I'm writing in a flow, so that's why sometimes I'll miss this suffix e, so don't get confused that why these two are different or same. They both are same only. So from denominator, what you do, you take r common. So gh by g is equals to r square by, if you take r common, it will be r square, and inside the bracket 1 plus h by r ka whole square. Understood? Now if you see this r square will get cancelled. You will be getting gh by g is equals to, take this term to numerator, so it will be 1 plus h by r minus 2. Now here you can understand that as this power is minus 2, so we can solve this by binomial expansion. And in binomial expansion, we have to understand one thing, this h and r, both h is very smaller than r. So if you take this divide smaller value by bigger value, the value will be much smaller, and if you take the square of those values, it will be much more smaller. So we can neglect, and we can directly get by binomial expansion we can write 1 minus 2h by r. So we got here gh by g is equals to 1 minus 2h by r. So what is the value of gh? Gh is equals to g into 1 minus 2h by r. So this is the acceleration due to gravity at a certain height h from the surface of earth. Now here you can understand one thing, g बेटा ये g माइनस g इंटू 2h बाई आर, मतलब ये 2h बाई आर फैक्टर g में मल्टीप्लाई होकर g से माइनस करना है, तो डेफिनेटली ये जो वैल्यू होगा वो g से कम हो जाएगा. मीन्स व्हाट वी कैन कंक्लूड हियर, दैट as we go above certain height, g value keeps on decreasing, keeps on decreasing. Okay, right. So I hope you understood this. So what is the effect of altitude on acceleration due to gravity? As we cover the height, acceleration due to gravity keeps on decreasing, keeps on decreasing. How it is decreasing? Gh equal to g into 1 minus 2h by r. Now we'll see the second effect, and that second effect we call it as a, that is effect due to depth. Effect due to depth. Effect due to depth. See here, effect due to depth. This is your earth surface. Okay, the earth surface, this is the radius of earth surface, that is re. Initially body is here. Let's say the mass of the body is earth is me. Now you say that you came into this much depth, say this depth is d, and you are here now. Okay, so this is the high depth you came inside the earth surface. So how much is this distance? How much is this distance? This is r minus d. Now as you know one thing, the mass body is here now. Okay, so on the surface initially it is there. So on surface we know g is equals to, on surface g is equals to gm divided by r square. Okay, so this we know. This is equation number 1, and we can write mass is equals to density into volume. Density into volume. So density into volume is spherical mass 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the mass of the body on the surface of earth. Okay, so if we substitute this value in this equation, what you will be getting? G is equals to G, right, into m. What is m? We got d into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by, right, into r square. So this r square and r square will get cancelled. We are remaining with 4 by 3 g d pi r. So this is the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth in terms of radius, not in terms of mass. Now below certain depth, below certain depth, how much is depth? D. Below certain depth, d, gd is equals to, what is there? Tell me what I can write now. G into m. Now here I'll write m prime, because as you're going inside, volume will change, volume of earth will change. Okay, इधर volume अलग था, इधर radius बदल रहा है, तो volume change हो जाएगा. gm prime divided by r minus d का square. Why? Because this distance is, this much distance is, this much distance is how much? R minus d. So r minus d square. Again we need to find m prime. So m prime is equals to, density will remain same but volume will change, 4 by 3 pi r minus d का cube. Again you put this m prime in this equation, so give you this equation 1 only, so that it will be easy for us. So we'll get gd is equals to g m prime. What is the m prime value we got? D into 4 by 3 pi r minus d का cube divided by, what is there? R minus d का square. So solve, you will get cancel. gd is equals to 4 by 3 g pi d r minus d. This d beta, it is not density, it is density. This d is depth, so don't get confused here. So this is equation number 2. Okay, now divide this 2 by 1. So 2 divided by 1. So gd by g is equals to 4 by 3 g pi d r minus d whole divided by 4 by 3 g pi d into r. This all terms will get cancelled. You are remaining with r minus d by r. Okay, so finally we'll get gd by g is equals to r. You can take r common from numerator, so it is 1 minus d by r whole divided by r. This r will get cancelled, and we got gd is equals to g into 1 minus d by r. Okay, so what is this? This is acceleration due to gravity below certain depth. Okay, below certain depth. Okay, now if we draw the figure, graphical representation, then how will we draw? We'll draw like this. This is distance you can take, and this you can take g. At the center, we know g value is how much? G value is how much? Minimum, because if you come to this position it will be minimum, and when you raise it on the surface of earth it become maximum, increasing, and again from after certain height it will keeps on decreasing. So like this we can, this is equal to height equal to r, this is depth, and this is height. So this is how effect of acceleration due to gravity changes because of altitude and depth. In next video I'll explain you due to latitude. Thank you.